Motlhake is a photographer based here in Gaborone. When I started photography, it was just something that I stumbled upon. I was into advertising at the time, and then I just stumbled into photography and I developed a passion for it. I think at the time, Nikki realized just a pastime, and then over time, people started coming to me, but Kanti, why don't you monetize this thing? And then after that, I decided to professionalize it. I started getting equipment and gear and learning more about it. I bought books. I used to sleep on the couch, reading books about photography. From there, one thing led to another. So to certain people, they really appreciate it. Others, you have to create the demand daily. To be the best photographer, you have to get the best gear. But gear doesn't come cheap. A very good camera can easily cost you something like 70,000 pula. Just the camera body without any lens. When you add the lenses, we're talking hundreds of thousands just in your camera bag. Start small so that when you make mistakes, you make small mistakes. Don't over-invest in gear when you start, because it's just going to be there. Straight from the driving school Abaraka AMG. Photography is no longer a luxurious good or service. It's a need. At every event, in as much as you need to feed the people who are there, in as much as you need a photographer to capture the moments. You need a photographer to be there to document it and to save it for history. So as we sit down, as we plan for our events, let us maybe just learn and appreciate to include that as part of our budgets. It's an industry that can be grown. It's an industry definitely that can create employment. It's an industry that can be used to change lives. If I come for an event, I come with a crew of 3 people, and definitely that is going to change the trickle-down benefit of it all. But with regard to Pusha BW, I think what we need to do is we need to learn from other nations, especially from a nation like Israel, which was non-existent before 1948. They made a deliberate decision to take Israel forward, and they came up with a plan of doing that. And I think that's what Pusha BW to me means. It means that we are changing what is in our fridge. All of these foreign brands that we have, one by one, we are substituting them with local ones. And this should extend also to the service sector. If we used to employ services from elsewhere, let us now try to empower the people in and around our country.